If your website's infected, who are you going to call? It's important to have all the security features and measures in place, have the correct processes to keep your website updated and secure, but then also make sure that you know who you're going to contact to check on things. If something's a little bit suspicious and you want to just make sure it's all right, or if things do go wrong, you do get infected, you do have spam coming through, or something's wrong, you want to make sure that you have a team that you can contact quickly, know you're going to get a quick response, and they'll fix the problem for you and clean up any malware infections and that sort of thing. And that's where we come in. We have a security service and we will look after the security of your website, as well as our 24/7 quick response email support desk. Means that all you need to do is shoot us a quick email any time of the day, any time of the year, and we'll get back to you quickly. We'll jump onto that problem and fix it as soon as we can. Cheers.